Hi guys, it's the Darla and today I will show you how I do my night out makeup, which will be a little bit stronger than my usual makeup, and then I want to show you what I chose to wear. So let's get started. Also, don't forget that if you're curious what's going on in my life, I share my daily life on Instagram and TikTok, and you can just go and follow me there. Let's get started. I start by tying my hair up so that nothing gets in the way of my face. First, I apply the Forever Foundation by Dior. Personally, I like to apply this part with my fingers. I have the impression that it gives more natural effect than creating a mask with foundation. It just looks like applying cream to the face. Then I apply concealer. I've already tested the one by Tarte a bit and I really liked it. It gives the effect of healthy skin. Here I like to use a makeup sponge to hide small imperfections more and leave the product glowing. As you can see, the concealer covers nicely but also brightens the face. Then the bronzer, and there is no hiding how much I like the one by Refi. It's a creamy bronzer that perfectly matches my skin, and I apply it with a brush from the same brand, which allows for perfectly delicate contouring of the face. Then the blush. Here I have a rather unknown blush that I bought a long time ago to try. I don't really remember the name of the brand, but I almost used it all up and I really like how this color plays with my complexion. Not too pink, not too peach. Naturally, I have quite strong and thick eyelashes. I like to curl them before putting my mascara on to emphasize them more. Because it's a makeup for going out, I decided to use a black pencil to emphasize the eye. I paint the waterline of the eye to give a slightly mysterious effect. I put a little more pencil in the corners of the eyes so that I could later spread it. I like it like for eyeliner but with the help of the nail, and then I smudge it with my brush. Generally, I like to do makeup with the approach that it doesn't have to be perfect, and I even want it to be in a style of I don't care about being perfect, I prefer not to be afraid of it and try play with different options. When using a pencil, it gives the eyeshadow, and here it's worth having an attitude, trust the process. The next step will be the highlighter. I bought this one from Pupa years ago, and since I usually do not use highlighter, it lasts me a long time. This time I decided to apply literally a little to the corners of my eyes and lightly to cheeks, and that's it. Mascara is an important step for me. I don't like when my eyelashes are stuck together, and sometimes I decide not to apply it. This one, Better Than Sex mascara, is great. I took it in the mini version because I wanted to try it and it works perfectly. Then I gently clean my eye after mascara. I blend everything together a little bit more. Next, it's time for eyebrows. I really like my eyebrows and I only shape them using soap and nothing more. I think that any brow soap will work and I choose mine at random. The only thing I paid attention to was that it was transparent, and that's it. I leave the lips for the last stage. I contour using a pencil from MAC, which I think suited me the best of all the ones I tried. I decided on my latest gem from Byredo. It is a stick color which perfectly moisturizes and gives color to my lips. Finally, I apply a water-based powder from Refi. I personally think it mattifies face nicely and it's not heavy. I apply it from the inside of the face, spreading it slightly outwards. My night out makeup is ready. Let me know how you like it and what do you think. Finally, my outfit for going out. I'm wearing leather-rise top, skim skirt, Yves Saint Laurent shoes and mandel bag. I hope you liked the makeup I did and the outfit I created. I'm ready to go out, so if you liked the video, don't forget to click the notification bell, and if you're not subscribing me yet, you can go and subscribe, and stay tuned for the future video. Bye!